Hey, to connect any Bluetooth device into your Redmi Note 13, for example, you want to connect your earbuds or headphones. First of all, you have to grab your device and enter for the pairing mode. So in my case, it looks like this, that I have to remove this earbuds from the case. I have to click and hold on the both buttons. And I have to wait until I've got this information about the Bluetooth pairing. So now my earbuds are blinking blue, so it means that now I am in the pairing mode. I have to put them close into my phone, and now I can, for example, pick this quick notification and click connect. But if you don't have it for some reason, you can still open the Bluetooth by clicking on the icon, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and from available devices list, you have to just select your headphones. So in my case, that's the Sony WF-C500. So I have to click on them and tap pair. And after a few moments, I'm connected and I can click OK. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.